Now, how can you use iTranslate on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So there are more things you might mean. Some people refer to the iTranslate as like the Apple translation app. That one is kind of simple, but of course, there is a dedicated iTranslate app on the App Store, which you can go ahead and open up like that, right? It's a dedicated app, which you can get for free. There are like 100 plus languages which you can translate in between, right? There is a bit of a like setup process if you start with it for the very first time. However, you have the ability to basically just get to this interface where you have a text field where you start typing the text and decide in which you want to translate it, right? So by default, you have the detect language, but you can of course choose it to be from any of those languages, right? And also the translating to can be changed to something else, right? So you can use that to start typing that in. But that's not it, of course, because we have at the bottom the camera mode, which lets you just take a picture and translate that. We have the voice mode, right? Which you, of course, can just start talking to it and it will translate it. And also the phrase book, right? So it might be useful, as you can see, but it's kind of important to mention that a lot of these features are part of a subscription, which by default you don't have access to. So, you can just use the basic translate feature, but you cannot use the camera or voice without an active subscription. So that's something to keep in mind, right? But that's the basic principle behind it. Also, you can download languages for offline use, but at the end of the day, it's kind of similar to like the Apple Translate or Google Translate even, right? So you have more options to compare these apps, right? So let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you in the next upcoming videos.